we all find inspiration in a lot of different places. And I believe that at least one of the styles that you've explored have been inspired by an artist friend of you, Pryl.
Yeah.
Who would you say inspires you the most, and why? And you can take this question both in regards to art and life, or just one of them. I mean, up to you.
Yeah, I like that you brought it up. Of course, of Pryl, that's where I started my journey. I was invited to a dinner. I didn't knew who was gonna turn up, and we met at a friend's house, and Pryl, or Kenneth, was one of the people showing up at the dinner. We had a great time there, lots of good conversations, and we talked about art and found out that we should work together on a project. Yeah, I will just start there. We made a picture together of the Crash Pink ice cream, and it was pretty successful, and ended up selling the original to diplomies and made some prints, and so that's
a great story in itself.
Yeah. We had a good trip to Oslo. Got to meet, or we just called him the president over an ice cream. So got some free ice cream, a great trip, and some experiences. But I will actually say that's where my second phase or art journey started again. It was when I met Kenneth, and got inspiration from him, and the way we were able to make art together as well. That's the first time I started drawing with pen, because that was he inspired me to try that out, and I found my style and incorporated some of his style, and just like for myself, for learning how to use pen and to get my expression on a piece of paper. So thanks, Kenneth, for making me learn to draw cool pen drawings. And from there, I have been going bigger and bigger, and with paintings. I love to go like as big as I can and express myself with colors. And Kenneth's been an inspiration, and for me, music and art is the same, well, basically the same thing, linked together, because both things are made to create feelings. From my perspective, art makes you feel a thing, a song can make you feel a thing.
Yeah.
So always inspiration from music. But it can be everything from a poster. It's often art or nature as well. I'm a spiritual person, enjoy walks in nature and exploring that side of life as well. So you never know. I can get inspiration from everywhere. It just pops up.
Coming back a little bit to your artwork, you've done a lot of solo work. We talked a little bit about collaborations.
Yeah.
You also done some work on commission.
Yeah.
What comes to mind as one of the most fun or memorable moments so far along your journey? Maybe some stories.
The ice cream story with Kenneth, but that was the start. And yeah, really excited and hyped to get our pictures out there, because we were sitting, talking together about let's not get any expectations of any sales, and that's like I thought I tried to bring with me through the whole process. Don't try to think about the sale aspect of it. But yeah, with Kenneth, always been a pleasure. We have had a lot of collaborations, always making some retro, like old school art, often inspired by gaming, like the old Nintendo. And we just made, like a couple of weeks ago, we made Bubble. I don't know if you remember.
I remember,
game.
yeah. I played that on Game Boy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But for me and Kenneth, it's making, of course, a picture together. But it's the conversation and the time and the fun we have together is the most important thing, and
I can imagine.
And it's a product that comes out of it. It's just the bonus. So yeah. But commission work, Fiskepiren, got a call. It's an old acquaintance of mine who's I made a call. Do you want to come and make a mural for us? It's we're starting up a new concert arena and we would like something on our wall. And I've never done that before, but I was like thinking, yeah, why not? I think we'll be able to do this. And had a meeting, walking around, checking out the arena and getting some inputs from Espen, and starting to develop an idea though. So, and then I contacted Tuas, haven't talked to him actually in a couple of years, I think. We lost kind of contact or went different ways after the fitting project, but I knew he had skills, and so I asked him if he wanted to come on the project with me. I needed help anyways. It's a huge wall, 6 by 4 meters or something, so, you know, stencil had to be cut. But I made a sketch and had an idea for the art that we were gonna put up on the wall, and we went to work, and again made a spaceman sitting there fishing on the planet, and of course it's called the Fiskepiren. Tried to incorporate some of their history. It's concerts there, so made a fish with like a headset, the DJ, and created kind of a spacey music, neon glowing feel to it. It was great fun making that one, and that was my first big project, and yeah, I'm happy it went the way it did.
Yeah, what a great way to challenge yourself and expand your repertoire.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah, next one was at Kvadrat. Made one there. That's mural. That was one night I was there for, and my wife joined me for that one. I needed some help, and also there they had some thoughts, and I made it in my style, of course, and tried to. That was like 2 by 4 meters or something, pretty much freestyled. The mural with one stencil. It's a person with some sunglasses and like tools.
Yeah, it's quite a big one as well.
Yeah, it's a big one as well, of course.
It came out around Easter, I think, this year. Yeah,
a couple of months ago. So great learning experience as well.
One of the pieces you've done that also stands out in my mind is this mixtape piece. I think that was a collaboration.
That was a collaboration with Kenneth, and of course the cassette. It's just a cool object, and the memories behind it.
There's like a fun thing with it where there's a QR code where
I forgot about that. We put in a QR code. Yes, so if you scan it with your cell phone, you get a playlist with pretty much 6 or 8 songs. I don't remember, but we were thinking about the A and the B side of the cassette. Yeah, and couldn't make more songs. It had to fit into a cassette, and the vibe we were going for as well. It's like turquoise and purple, the cassette, and in space floating.
That's a really cool one.
I think we would label it My Love, or we're thinking about like a mixtape though. You're made for a girl you liked or a special person. Yeah.
Maybe my memory doesn't serve me well on this one, but I seem to recall that there was one painting you sold to an American rapper or something like that. Is that? That was mixing something up, or
no, that was early on. I think it was that was when I started. I made a picture of a rapper called Riff Raff, and I think it was his photographer who contacted me through Instagram, and he was curious about the picture. He liked it. I think it's because Riff Raff also basically his image, 80s, 90s style, same color scheme, and this, and it it was interesting in the picture. So I didn't sell it. I said you can have this one, because for sure, for me, it was just great to get it shipped out to Riff Raff. And it just felt like an honor being contacted by someone that huge.
I can imagine.
It's just random and coincidences, though, that will get you there. But really cool.
It's really cool.
Yeah, I think so too. So it was a couple of years ago. But getting this in the start, like let's call it our career or whatever you want to call it, with the collab with Kenneth, getting it sold to Diplomis, who made the ice cream original. And I think we were a little bit lucky there as well, because they relaunched it actually the year we made the picture.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, without us knowing. So yeah, it was just coincidences again. And the riffraff, I was trying a technique called like floating paint.
Oh.
You mix up this medium, and the paint just float around on the canvas. YouTube it. And went over with some markers and paint. Tried new styles, and made riffraff with some sparkly glitter and colors, and getting that, let's call it, spark in the start, and
and some recognition.
Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. It just keeps you motivated.
Absolutely.
So, and of course, like everyone else, it's sometimes you're really motivated, and your motivation could lack sometimes. But at the right time, since I started, I always get like a little build up or
a little extra boost.
Yeah, at the time I needed it.
Yeah.
So far, it's been a really fun journey, and it still is. I really enjoy it. Almost been kind of a lifestyle, because tidy house, it's not in our vocabulary, because there is paint and canvases and stuff around the house all the time. Of course, I had the garage, but my wife, she got a motorcycle, and I got one too, so no more space in the garage. So
now it's built into the house.
No, can't paint and spray anymore in the garage. So
if you appreciated that, then click here for more content like this. Go on, click it. And don't forget to subscribe. Be well.